Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to do determinants of a matrix. And if you have a CAS calculator, I will ask you to use the CAS calculator to do it with one button. But if you don't have a CAS calculator, you have to do all this calculation. So there's a couple steps you need to remember. First of all, you need to copy these numbers out. Okay, so this is not a matrix anymore. I'll just copy this number out. And then we have to move it in this way. The first way I have to go is I move all the number in the bottom to join the numbers on the top with a cross. So I'm going to move the 4 to join the 1 in the front. Okay, so this 4, I'm going to move it to the front of the 1. Okay, and then the 3, I will move it up to join the 2. Okay, and now after that, I'm going to put a minus in between these two numbers. Alright, so now what I have to do, the last thing is put a minus in between these two numbers. Alright, and the first number actually is not 41, it is 4 times 1. And the second number is 2 times 3. So the answer I will have is 4 times 1 minus 2 times 3, which is 2. Okay, this 2 is the determinant of the matrix A. So we call it determinant of matrix A. So remember, cross up and then minus. Okay. Next bit I want to talk about is the inverse of a matrix. I've got a matrix here, 1, 2, 3, 4 again. If I want to find the inverse of this matrix, I will have to copy this matrix twice. The number in the front, I will have to put a 1 over of everything on the top. And then do what we've done with the determinants. So the number in the bottom, again, we cross it to move the 4 to join the 1 and move the 3 to join the 2, which is exactly the same as determinants. We have to times the 4 with the 1 and 2 with the 3 and then do a minus in the middle. The first part in front, we're done. And now the second part. Pretty much the same. We have to move the 4 to the top. But the problem is this time we're not timesing the 4 with the 1. We have to move the 1 back down to the bottom. Okay, and the 2, 3, you don't need to move it. What you need to do is put a minus in the front, and then that's it. So if you put it properly, this is actually, we have a matrix, 2 by 2 matrix at the back. Alright, you don't need to do anything in this bracket. And then this number in the front, you will get a 1 over 2 as a fraction. So your final answer for this inverse of the matrix is 1 over 2. And then 4, negative 2, negative 3, 1. Okay, then we call this inverse matrix.